Okay, we're ready.
We're ready. Are you on? Am I on?
Yeah.
Okay. Hi guys, Tamara Lankowski from HealthyTreatsMarket.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make a low-carb fruit pizza. Okay, what I got is a quarter cup of the Baker's Basic. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of plain non-fat Greek yogurt to it. I'm going to add a quarter cup of egg whites to it. I'm going to mix it. And I like to use a Dash Express, okay? That's my favorite thing to use because it makes beautiful flatbread. We're gonna get this one out of here. And we are going to put the fruit pizza in here. So this is how you make the pizza part of it, the bread part of it, okay? And what I'm going to do is just I'm going to let it cook here, and then when the top looks cooked enough, just like pancakes, you have to flip them. So once I flip it, then it'll be ready to serve. It's going to look something like this, okay? So what I do to the fruit pizza now is I'm just going to add some of my cream cheese frosting to it. You can use fresh berries or frozen berries, it's up to you. And if you want to leave this low calorie, what you can do with this is shave the cream cheese frosting on. You don't need much. Like this is only about a tablespoon of cream cheese frosting. So there's about 100 calories in the frosting, but the mix itself is 150 calories, 16 grams protein, 7 grams fiber, and 4 fat. That's it. So you're adding about another maybe 50, 100 calories in the frosting and the berries. I personally like berries. I like frozen berries better than fresh. I'm going to tell you why, and everybody's not like me. I'm going to tell you guys why. Frozen berries, they pick them when they're ripe, and they flash freeze them. So they have more flavor in them than fresh berries. Usually, like this is out of season. So if you buy watermelon now or something, it's not going to taste like the yummy, juicy watermelon in the summer. So that's why I'm doing this. I do have fresh berries too. And you don't need much. So this is about a half a cup's worth of berries. So this is going to add about 5 carbs, okay? For those of you who are diabetics, the mix is 3 net carbs, and then you're adding about 5 carbs of berries, so you're totaling about 8 net carbs here. Okay, guys? You have a delicious fruit pizza. If you want to do something else to it, you can always throw some whipped cream on it, just to give it nice decoration. I love the taste of whipped cream. It's not much calories. But this is delicious, and it's a meal replacement, and it's all protein. That's what you're eating when you eat this. Okay, guys? We love you. Thanks for watching. Be sure to visit HealthyTreatsMarket.com for more recipes. And if you live nearby, come to the Davison Farmers Market. We're here Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, 9 to 5. God bless you.